Hey everyone, so here's an Instagram Notes information. Instagram Notes is a feature that lets you share short messages or updates directly with your followers through the direct message section. When you post a note, it appears at the top of your followers' inboxes for 24 hours. However, one notable limitation is that Instagram does not allow you to see who viewed your notes. Unlike Instagram stories, where you can easily check who has seen your content, Notes does not provide viewers insight. So this means that you can track the audience or engagement level for your notes. While you can see who viewed your notes, you will receive notification if someone replies to it. This can help you engage with followers who are interested in your message and spark conversation based on their replies. So, in summary, Instagram Notes offers a quick way to communicate with your followers, but it doesn't provide visibility on who has seen your notes, focusing instead on fostering direct interaction without tracking metrics. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.